What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best car vacuums on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Flex Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Black Plus Decker Gen 2 Flex Vacuum builds upon the success of its predecessor, the Flex Auto Vacuum, with an exceptional design, robust suction power, and outstanding portability. It's a breeze to set up, ready for action within a minute, and cordless, running on a 20-volt battery. The 4-foot integrated hose provides unlimited access to every corner of your vehicle, and it comes with a practical accessory package, including a pet hair brush for efficient cleaning. The compact design allows it to sit on the vehicle floor, and its user-friendly approach lets you effortlessly navigate and clean. It excels in removing sand from hard surfaces, but may require attachments for soft surfaces. While it's slightly noisy, its clear dustbin, straightforward charging, and infrequent emptying make it a solid choice for car cleaning. Number 2. FissWorks Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. The FissWorks Car Vacuum offers simplicity and efficiency right out of the box. With a 12-volt plug that provides a generous 16-foot cord, it's well equipped for vacuuming both hard and soft surfaces within your vehicle, including upholstery, car carpeting, and cup holders. We were impressed by its suction power, which easily reached tight spots, saving us from using additional attachments. This no-frills vacuum, however, has a couple of drawbacks. The nozzle tip doesn't detach, which could potentially trap debris, and its basic filter allows some fine particles to escape. Regularly emptying the dustbin can help if you plan to clean fine particles like sand or dirt. On the positive side, detaching and emptying the dustbin is a simple process. Number 3. Hoover Winnipur Blade Max Auto Vac Vacuum Cleaner. For a luxurious car cleaning experience, the Hoover Winnipur Blade Max stands out. While budget car vacuums can get the job done, this cordless gem offers unmatched convenience and efficiency. It boasts an extended run time, outshining most rivals, and arrives with a variety of accessories for handling all types of debris. The slightly higher price tag is justified by the extra battery life, powerful suction, and a generous dustbin. Surprisingly, it's not overly noisy during operation. Assembly, taking around 4 minutes, is straightforward. Hoover includes 2 lithium-ion batteries for approximately 45 minutes of run time, with a quick charge time. This vacuum excels on both hard and soft surfaces, effortlessly clearing various debris, thanks to the boosted suction mode and motorized brush tool. Number 4. Works PowerShare Cordless Cube Vac Compact Vacuum. The WorkSucks 30 liters 20 volts PowerShare Cordless Cube Compact Vacuum earns our Best for Pet Hair title, thanks to its remarkable ability to tackle stubborn Great Pyrenees dog hair on car mats. Its unique cube-shaped design sets it apart from other models, and the convenience of storing attachments on the unit ensures you won't lose any parts. With a quick 30-minute charge time, this vacuum is powered up and ready to go. It's compatible with other tools in Works' PowerShare line, offering versatility. Maneuvering this small vacuum through your car is a breeze, and its lightweight build makes it easy to handle. It offers 2 power levels, with the higher setting proving effective in removing even the most stubborn pet hair from soft surfaces. Number 5. Dual 20-volt Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Dual 20-volt Max Stick Vacuum arrives with a comprehensive set of 5 accessories, making it a versatile cleaning tool for your car, workshop, and home. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it efficiently traps finer dust and dander particles, while its impressive 46 CFM ensures a thorough clean. Designed to handle everything from discarded nails to large sawdust bits, it can easily tackle mulch and other debris in your car. Additional features include a belt loop hood and an integrated LED light for enhanced usability. This vacuum excels at dealing with cereal and clumps of hair on hard surfaces, displaying robust suction power. However, it struggles slightly with sand on soft surfaces like carpeting. The crevice tool proves handy for reaching tight spots between and under car seats, while the gulper brush efficiently cleans larger areas like a car trunk. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.